Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Health Elegance.
Today's remedy is best for flatulence, loss of appetite or indigestion, heartburn and H. pylori. This remedy consists of herbs and some spices. You can buy them from any Indian herb store or order online. I feel the ingredient list is long, but you have to prepare it once and use it for a month or more. Now start the remedy. You will need fennel seeds 30 gram, carom seeds 30 gram, chicory 30 gram, black nutshell 30 gram, Indian gooseberry 30 gram, Indian rhubarb 20 gram, and psyllium husk 50 gram. Method: grind all the herbs well and mix psyllium husk in it. Save in a dry glass jar. Use 3 gram of this mixture half an hour before every meal. Keep using until you get relief.
Friends, if you like this video, please share it, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.